Water is a source of life, such as for consumption raw water, irrigation for agriculture, recreational facilities, and for industry. Of course, water is very important, but water supply is very limited. In addition, in the process of draining water, pollution often occurs, such as from industrial waste, household waste, and it is exacerbated by littering. This causes the water to become foamy, dirty, and smelly. And of course, water has been classified as safe water to use.
Sustainable the world, maintaining water sustainability for our future. Smart integrated filtering and farming system. As we know, water holds an important thing in life, but unfortunately its supply is very limited. Do you know that 97.5% of the water on Earth is salt water, so only 2.5% is fresh water on Earth and 2/3 is ice? That way only about 0.5% can be utilized.
Wastewater is a serious thing around us because besides water become having a poor quality, this does not only affect us as humans, but other creatures such as plants, animals and the environment also feel the impact, especially household waste also plays a significant role in this waste. This makes our reason for raising the issue of household waste is for the public to know more about what waste is and how the impact of household waste is generated, and because people rarely have sufficient and affordable tools to break down waste, then we will convey our idea of a tool that can solve this waste problem so that waste is handled properly and can certainly benefit living things before being disposed of. The benefits of wastewater treatment provide clean and safe water for everyone and the environment. Treated wastewater removes harmful materials. Everyone can use the water for everyday use. Also, it didn't harm the environment and humans. The sustainability in treated clean water needs to maintain because of its impact on the future. We can distribute back the treated water to the river or the environment. So, it gives sustainability to the environment and supplies clean and safe water for the future. Everyone can enjoy clean and safe water without any worries. There is a bad impact on wastewater if we do not treat it properly. Wastewater could harm the environment, also affect and damage future conditions. It can bring disease, harmful materials, also damage natural habitat. According to WHO, there are 842,000 deaths per year resulting from an unsafe water supply, sanitation, and hygiene, and 361,000 deaths are children under age 5 and mostly come from low-income countries. Everyone must treat the water before reused and redirected to the river or environment. Then everyone can use safe and clean water. Also, we can build a sustainable and healthy ecosystem. SIFF system is a two-stage household wastewater treatment technology. Stage 1 is the initial filtration stage using aerobic and anaerobic biofilters to produce clean water from bacteria such as E. coli. This biofilter is divided into 4 parts, namely the initial settling bath, anaerobic biofilter, aerobic biofilter, and the final settling bath. First, the wastewater will enter the initial settling bath to be deposited and decomposed from the organic compounds, then the water will enter the anaerobic biofilter to be filtered and decomposed from the organic matter by anaerobic bacteria and microorganisms that grow on the surface layer of the filter media, then the water will be enter the aerobic biofilter, which contains the filtration media in the form of gravel, pumice and fiber materials. In this aerobic biofilter, the water will be aerated to be broken down again by the microorganisms. This process will result in the microorganisms being suspended in the water, thereby increasing the efficiency of the digestion and the nitrification process. Then in the final stage, the water will enter the final settling basin so that the activated sludge, which still contains the mass of microorganisms, is deposited and will be pumped to the inlet of the aeration tank with a mud circulation pump. The result of this filtration is water with a low concentration of ammonia and organic substances, which will then be pumped by a pump machine to the NFT tube in hydroponic plants. The water in the NFT tube will be irradiated with corona fluorescent plasma rays to increase sterilization from bacteria and increase nitrogen levels so that it helps accelerate plant growth and change the microstructure, one of which is amino acids in hydroponic plants. This plasma light irradiation helps increase vegetable protein so that it can be an alternative nutrient. The water from the plasma rays irradiated in the NFT tube containing nitrogen is then streamed into the fish pond to help accelerate fish growth. Furthermore, within a certain period of time the water will be discharged through a discharge pipe into the river.